Araval Public School, CBSE Board, Day cum Boarding School, Kovai Pudur, Coimbatore. Araval offers the following club activities: dance and music, yoga, robotics, debate, quiz club, eco club. Admissions open for next year LKG to 9th standard and 11th standard, limited seats only. Enroll soon. Dance and music. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Dance is the joy movement and the heart of life. Admissions open for next year LKG to 9th standard and 11th standard, limited seats only. Enroll soon. Robotics. Robotics and other combination will make the world pretty fantastic compared with today. We are not using kids to build robots. We are using robots to build kids. Admissions open for next year LKG to 9th standard and 11th standard, limited seats only. Enroll soon. Yoga. Yoga is the journey of the self, to the self, through the self. Yoga is a flame. When you light it up, the glow never fades away. Admissions open for next year LKG to 9th standard and 11th standard, limited seats only. Enroll soon.
Periodic functions. Okay. In trigonometry, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta and cot theta, all trigonometry ratios are periodic functions. So what is period? Listen, if f of x plus t equal to f of x, there exists a least positive number t, least positive number t such that f of x plus t equal to f of x, then t is called fundamental period of the function f of x. Whenever f of t x plus t equal to f of x, then where t is a least positive value, least positive number, then f of x plus t equal to f of x, then t is called period of the function. This function.
Admissions open for next year LKG to 9th standard and 11th standard, limited seats only. Enroll soon.
Is called periodic function. For example, sin of 2 pi plus theta equal to sin theta. Sin of 360 plus theta equal to sin theta. 360 தவிர வேறு எந்த ஆங்கிள் லோயர் ஆங்கிள் எடுத்தாலும் sin theta ரிப்பீட் ஆகாது. Sin of 90 plus theta equal to cos theta. Sin of 180 plus theta equal to minus sin theta, like that. Sin of 360 plus theta only sin theta. So sin of x plus t equal to sin x pattern. Sine of 2 pi plus theta equal to sin theta. So the period is 2 pi. Sine of 2 pi plus theta equal to sin theta. Similarly, sine of 4 pi plus theta is also sin theta. Sine of 6 pi plus theta is also sin theta. Right? So t can be 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, any even multiples of 2 pi. But t is the least positive value. T is the least positive value. Here the least positive value is 2 pi. Here the least positive value is 2 pi. Therefore, period of sin theta is 2 pi. Period of sin theta is 2 pi. Similarly, cos of 2 pi plus theta equal to cos theta. Cos of 360 plus theta மட்டும் தான் cos.
Admissions open for next year LKG to 9th standard and 11th standard. Limited seats only. Enroll soon.
theta வரும். 360 ஓட lesser angle எடுத்தனா cos theta வரவே வராது. Okay, cos of 360 plus theta equal to cos theta. So 360 is the least positive value. Okay, cos of 4 pi plus theta வும் cos theta தான். Cos of 4 pi plus theta is also cos theta. Cos of 6 pi plus theta is also cos theta and so on. Okay, here t can be 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, etc. Here t is the least positive value, so t is equal to 2 pi. Therefore, period of cos theta equal to 2 pi. Period of cos theta equal to 2 pi. But in the case of tan theta,
admissions open for next year LKG to 9th standard and 11th standard. Limited seats only. Enroll soon.
Tan of 180 plus theta itself tan theta. Tan of 180 plus theta, because 180 plus na third quadrant na tan theta positive. Tan of 180 plus theta equal to tan theta. Tan of 2 pi plus theta is also tan theta. Okay, etc. Here least value is pi. Here least value is 2 pi. Here least value is 2 pi. So period of sin theta is 2 pi. Period of cos theta is 2 pi. But period of tan theta is pi. Period of tan theta is pi. Okay, so இது அடிக்கடி 1 மார்க்ல வரும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இந்த டேப்லெட் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Trigonometric ratios, its corresponding period. Okay, so first one, sin theta, reciprocal of sin, cosecant theta, cos theta, reciprocal of cos, secant theta. இது நாலுக்குமே period 2 pi. sin theta, cosecant theta, cos theta, secant theta, இது நாலுக்குமே period 2 pi. tan theta, reciprocal of tan, cot theta, இரண்டுக்குமே period pi. ஓகேவா? period of sin theta, cosecant theta, cos theta, secant theta is 2 pi. Period of tan theta and cot theta is pi. Okay.